Poultry operations today span multiple stages, from breeding and hatching to farming, feed production, processing, and sales. In many poultry businesses, operational and production data remains spread across spreadsheets, manual records, and disconnected systems. This makes it difficult to track performance, costs, and traceability across the value chain. Poultry360, built on SAP Business Technology Platform, provides a unified system to manage end-to-end poultry operations across breeder, hatchery, broiler, layer, feed mill, and processing functions. Using structured data capture and integrated workflows, teams record daily activities, monitor flock performance, track costs, and maintain batch-level traceability across farms and locations. Operational data is connected with financial records to provide a consistent view of performance. Poultry businesses gain clearer visibility into operations, better control over costs, and structured reporting to support compliance and decision-making without changing how work is done on the ground. This is Poultry360, designed by TechOrbit, a single SAP-based platform for managing poultry operations end-to-end.